Today we have a new speaker of Ultimate Ears, and there's a big reason why I don't really test that much models of them. First of all, they all sound pretty similar, so they all have a pretty similar tuning. So as with JBL speakers, they are very tuned for deep bass and treble. These kind of speakers are really tuned to be a bit of an in-between sound. And I can definitely see it also with this Wonderboom Play. It's not too bad of a speaker, and it is pretty tiny, it's very compact, it's pretty lightweight, and it's also not very expensive. That's also the reason why I decided to test it out, because I'm more focusing on budget speakers lately. Funny thing as well with the speaker is that because it is so simple, it doesn't support the app at the moment. Maybe later, but for now there's no app support. And also the overall audio performance is pretty solid. But as with other Ultimate Ear speakers, the bass is not the greatest out there, but it does have a pretty alright clarity and upper bass performance. So without further ado, I have a few audio samples and I would say enjoy them.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply left be. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. In a brand new whip, you gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. In a brand new whip, you gon' all out, it's all I do, babe. You fun who this, you fun who this. I'ma pull up in a brand new whip, you gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. You fun who this, I'ma pull up in a brand new whip, you gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. Pull up in a brand new whip, you gon' all out, it's all I do, babe. Pull up in a brand new whip, you gon' you fun who this. Somebody get me, 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 somebody get me. Pull up in a brand new whip, you gon' solid and I got a new phone, who this?